Hello viewers and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm currently at Lithgow waiting on for something that hasn't been here before, a Oscar train to arrive at Lithgow. This will be the first time ever an Oscar train has reached Lithgow in its 15-year history. If you haven't yet subscribed to Paul's Train Vlogs, please hit the subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell to receive notifications about my current and future releases. And thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. Anyway viewers, that's all for the video. It's time now to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. And also don't forget to please ring the notification bell to receive notifications about my current and future releases. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.